Hello, and welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about improving your English skills, today's video is going to be a game changer. We're diving into something powerful, something most English learners don't realize until it's too late. So what is it? The secret to learning English faster. Let's break it down, and I promise, by the end of this video, you'll look at your learning journey in a completely new way. What is the secret to learning English faster? Here's the truth. There's no magical formula or shortcut that instantly makes you fluent. But there is a secret that changes everything, and it's this: consistency and immersion beat perfection. Most people focus on studying hard, memorizing long vocabulary lists, or drilling grammar rules. But fast learners, they approach English like a daily habit, not a school subject. They expose themselves to English constantly, not just for 30 minutes a day, but throughout the entire day. They listen, read, think, and even dream in English. They surround themselves with English like it's part of their life, not just homework. Think of English like a muscle, not a subject. Imagine you want to build muscle, but you only go to the gym once a week and spend the rest of the time doing nothing. Would you see results? Probably not. It's the same with English. You need to train your brain a little every day. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of daily listening to podcasts or watching YouTube with subtitles is more powerful than 3 hours of grammar study once a week. That consistent daily input helps your brain absorb patterns, sounds, and expressions automatically. You don't memorize them, you internalize them. That's the secret. Learn in context, not in isolation. Another part of the secret is learning words and grammar in context, not by memorizing lists. Let's say you learn the word run. If you just write run courir or run che, your brain stores it as a translation. But if you learn it in a phrase, like I run every morning, or he runs a small business, you learn how to use it naturally. You don't just know the word, you know how it fits into real English. The more you learn in chunks or phrases, the faster you speak fluently, without needing to build each sentence from scratch. So stop learning one word at a time and start learning real phrases in real situations. Surround yourself with English, even without studying. Here's the part most people miss. You don't have to sit at a desk to learn. You can improve your English passively just by changing your environment. Listen to English while cooking, while walking, while cleaning, even while scrolling social media. Follow English creators. Turn your phone's language to English and use apps or tools in English. Your brain will start picking up sounds, grammar, and rhythm without you even realizing it. This is called immersion. And immersion is the fastest way to learn any language. Speak before you're ready. Many learners wait for the perfect moment, when their grammar is perfect and vocabulary is big, to start speaking. But here's the truth. You'll never feel 100% ready. The fastest learners start speaking immediately, even with broken sentences. They talk to themselves, join language exchange groups, use apps like HelloTalk or Tandem, or simply record themselves talking for 2 to 3 minutes a day. The key is not to be perfect, but to build the habit. Speaking trains your brain to use English in real time, and it helps you think in English, which is the ultimate goal. Review. Don't rely on memory. Another secret is understanding that forgetting is part of the process. Don't feel bad if you forget a word after a day or two. That's natural. The key is to review often. Use flashcards, spaced repetition apps like Anki or Quizlet, or write daily journals to reinforce what you're learning. The more you see a word or phrase, the deeper it goes into your long-term memory. Repetition, not cramming, is what builds fluency. The mindset shift that changes everything. Here's the most important part, your mindset. Fast learners don't see English as a task. They see it as a tool to open up the world. They're curious, playful, and open to making mistakes. They don't compare themselves to others. They just focus on showing up every day. If you can shift your mindset from, I have to learn English, to, I'm becoming an English speaker, you change the game completely. Fluency becomes your identity, not just a goal. Final thoughts, the real secret. So, what's the real secret to learning English faster? It's not a course, not a book, not a magic trick. It's this. Immerse yourself daily. Speak without fear, learn in context, and stay consistent. You don't need perfect grammar. You need momentum. You don't need to be fluent right away. You just need to show up every day. Because in the end, fluency is not built in a week. It's built in the small moments, repeated over time. So start today, even if it's just 5 minutes. And remember, the faster you act, the faster your English grows. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical English learning strategies every week. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite way to immerse yourself in English? I read every comment, and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.